It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Please be mine. Hello, all my home warriors and global students. We're here to begin our physical fitness at home challenge. And before we begin, I want to remind you that the point of these goals is not just to do these challenges, but to make sure that you're moving every day. And today we're focusing on cardiovascular fitness. What we want you to do is try to, as many days as possible, make sure your heart and you're moving for 20 minutes a day. You're making your heart do this. You're making it pump faster than usual. That way, your heart can become stronger, it distributes blood better, and we want to make sure that you are staying healthy and fit by moving. Well, what we're going to do today is we're going to do a challenge. As you can see, I got some of my basketball gear, and of course, being from New York, I'm representing the Knicks. Hey, I understand, but there was a time where they were really doing really well. So we're ready. I have my basketball ready. Great. Out of all the things during this quarantine, I forgot my needles. What are we going to do now? That's okay, boys and girls. Yes, I'm not going to be able to use the basketball, but you know what? I got something better for you. Yes, we're actually going to dance. And the first dance we're going to do today is our Kobe Dance Challenge. As you all know, Kobe's considered one of the best 5 players in the history of the NBA. In fact, many people say that he was the closest thing to Michael Jordan. But I'll let you discuss that. But right now, I'm going to get ready to show you a challenge. So I want you to be ready. I want you to make some space in your living room, your bedroom, wherever you're watching this, and get ready. Because we're about to put on our warrior mode. So my young warriors, my home warriors, the global students, let's get ready and meet our first challenge. All right, home warriors and global students, we are ready for our first challenge. Again, I'm going to show you how to do the moves, and after you're done, you're going to hit the link below and you're going to start the dance. And if you get really good at it, why don't you invite someone that's living with you right now, whether it be your parents, your grandparents, your little brother or sister, maybe your puppy. Don't use your puppy. But let's get ready. All right, boys and girls. So I'm going to need to get a little more comfortable. So give me 1 second while I get ready. Good. I'm ready. All right, boys and girls. You know what time it is. It's time to get focused. It's time to leave all that other stuff behind and get ready for a warrior mode. Remember, in our warrior mode, we're focused, we prepare for the challenge, we meet the challenge, and we make sure that we press forward. So, here are the steps for our first dance, the Kobe Bryant Dance Challenge. Here we go. So first move is like Kobe. He had great handles when he dribbled. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our dribble on. And this is the way we're going to do it. When we're dribbling, we're making pretend, right? We're dribbling the ball right to the middle and we're swaying with the ball. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got that? Beautiful. Then we're going to move the ball to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try that real quick one more time to make sure you got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, boys and girls. Now we're going to transition to our crossover pass. So we're going to start by we're going to now create kind of like scissors, and we're going to move our legs. Right, every time we pass, we're moving our feet back and forth. So let's begin. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, pass. So notice every time I pass the ball, I switch, and on the 4th, I pass. So it goes like this. I'm going to do it now at regular speed. 1, 2, 3, pass. 1, 2, 3, pass. 1, 2, 3, pass. After 4, we're going to stop. And the reason why is because if we know there's one thing Kobe Bryant didn't like to do, he didn't like to pass. You don't believe me? Check his stats. 25 points a game, 4 assists. But you can check that on Google. So, here we go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go from our passing to our shooting. And the way we're going to shoot looks like this. We're actually not just going to shoot. We're going to make sure we catch the ball from our team player. And we're going to come. And then I want you to actually jump. Make sure you don't get lazy or sloppy. You're going to jump, keep your elbow in, and follow through. Because nothing looks more beautiful than a shot when you're following through. When it looks like this. Boom, right? So here we go. And go. 1, catch. 2, catch. 3, catch. 4, catch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And now we're going to move to our last part of part 1. And the last part is called a fast break. In basketball, the fast break is when you usually get a rebound and you try to dribble and run from one side of the court to the other side. So you can get an easy layup or a slam dunk. But since we don't have the space, boys and girls, this is the way we're going to do our fast break. I want you to go around in a circle, but you're going to skip. And you're basically just going, boom, right? So we're just going. We're getting that fast break going. And we're going to come to a stop. And once we come to the stop, we're then going to move to part 2. And now part 2 begins with us saying together, well, I'll say it first and you follow. I'm going to say rebound, and then you scream rebound. And rebound looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch the ball, protect the ball. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then sometimes in basketball, we lose control of the ball. So that becomes a loose ball, which means both teams are trying their best to get to the ball. So what we're going to do that is you're going to stand in the middle and you're going to clap where the ball would be. So you're going to go 1, jump to the side, 2, jump to the side, 3, jump to the side, boom, and jump back. Good. That was a loose ball. And now, again, I'm going to scream defense, and you're going to show me your defensive moves. So again, defense, and we start with a shot block. You're going to go as high as you can. You're going to come back, spread out with your hands up to make sure that you're keeping a good defense position against your opponent. And you're going to go 4 times in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back to the middle. 4. Jump up. Little steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. And one last jump. Boom. And once you're done with that, boys and girls, we're almost there. Now you have to have your hands up. Hands up. Make sure that you're blocking the passing lane. So you hands up. Hands up. And boys and girls, when I say freeze, you're going to freeze. You're going to be silent. And then you're going to wait. And when I scream freestyle, you're just going to start dancing. And you're going to show me your best dance moves. Anything you want to show me, just show me. And you're going to dance and dance until I bring you back. And the way we're going to end this dance is we're going to come back to a regular dribble. We're going to do it 8 times in the front, 8 times in the back. And then we're going to count down starting from 5. We're going to count to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you get to the last one, you're not going to say 1. When you get to 2, you're going to go 1 and you're going to scream, Kobe, and make sure you make it in. All right, boys and girls, that was the Kobe Dance Challenge. If you think you're ready, if you think you have your warrior mode on, hit the link below and let's get ready to have this dance off.